MetaTder 4 winning trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTder 4 and not MetaTder 5. You cannot use all these indicators on MetaTder 5, and neither can you use it on derived platform. It is strictly meant for MT4. Make sure you trade on regulated Forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these best Forex brokers that are regulated. Make sure you check them out and see if they are regulated in your area. Do register with any of the brokers. Open a Forex demo account first to try out all the strategies or indicators before you go live. See if you are profitable on demo account before you go live. It is important that you try out your strategy on demo account to see if you are consistent in making money trading on a regulated Forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning Forex trading strategy. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I would like to show you this winning trading strategy that I've combined few indicators together to come up with it. Make sure you follow me closely as I show you how to use this profitably on a regulated Forex brokers. Now I have this moving average here, the red and the blue line, and I have a reversal indicator here that gives us this arrow. I have PTL indicator and this other indicator here that shows us the upper and the lower limits where the market may likely turn. So how do I use all these indicators together? Each time I wanted to enter a trade, what I look out for is this upper zone and this lower zone here, and these are the middle zone. So I like my indicators, that is other indicators, to confirm these indicators either at the upper or at the lower zone. For instance, here I have this upper zone here, then this reversal indicators, then followed by my yellow petal ball that do confirm this particular direction, and that was why I entered this particular trade, and they are all in profit right now, still running in profit. So this is how to use this particular strategy. For a sell, all must be present, all the indicators must be present before you enter this particular trade. I have the moving average here crossing, and this gives us a good profit and still running. And for a buy setup, you must have the same thing also. We have this candle touching the lower zone here, the lower band here. I have the reversal indicator, the PTI indicator, then followed by the moving average that did cross at this particular point, and so we have a good ride. And you see another point also, this is another good sell setup. All the indicators in agreement are this zone. So I don't normally like taking trade at this middle point, because this might just be a pull back. As we have it here, this did confirm it. This was actually a pullback, though we have all the indicators in agreement, but it was actually a pullback. and this was a continuation from this pullback. So it is simple, and anyone can use this. You can use it on any time frame you want. And this is a US 30. You can use it on any indices like US 100 and US 500. This can be used on metal like gold, silver, and you can trade. I can use this also on cryptocurrency like BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the other crypto pairs. Just make sure you follow the simple rules, and this can be used on stocks also, so you can trade stocks using this particular strategy. In the video description, I did include all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. Just make sure you download it. It is free, and I did include my template so that you have the same template like mine. Now let me show you some of the indicators I use and how to set it up if you want to set it up manually, and if you want to use my template you can do that. Here is the PTR indicator that I used, and these are my settings. Just make sure you set it up accordingly, and these are the colors. And the Ikinashi indicator just showing us the candle pattern, this red and white candle. That's just the color. Then have the Murray indicator, this upper and lower zone indicator, and this is what I change it to. This is where you have all the colors. And these are the value. Just make sure you pause the video and enter it accordingly, or you use my template. I do not want you to stress yourself, that's why I added my template. Just make sure you use it. And the reversal indicator here, these are the colors, and these are the inputs here, so you can change the value if you want or play with it. Then I have two moving averages, period 20 linear weighted, then apply to close. The shift is 0. And the second moving average, the blue color, the period is 8, shift is 0, linear weighted, and apply to close. So these are all the indicators I use for this particular winning strategy. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and before you take any trade you can check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your trading for that particular season or time. So it is better you stay away from the that particular pace 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after, so that it will not affect your technical analysis. Make sure you follow money management, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Share this video with other people that are into trading. It is profitable, and make sure you practice on a regulated demo forex account. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader Joe, and bye for now.